In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an app using your Google Sheets data. To get started, the most important part is preparing your spreadsheet properly. Because AppSheet builds your app based on the structure of your data. In the very first row of your sheet, add clear and simple column headers. These are the labels AppSheet will use to understand each field. So use names that are easy to recognize, such as name, email, phone, or status. As you set up the sheet, avoid common formatting issues that can confuse the app builder. Don't use merged cells. Don't leave completely empty rows in the middle of your data and keep special characters out of your headers. Whenever possible, a clean sheet will give you a much smoother setup experience. You'll also want to keep your data consistent within each column. For example, if one column is meant for dates, make sure that column only contains dates. If another column is for phone numbers, keep only phone numbers there. This helps AppSheet correctly identify your data types and create a more reliable app automatically. Once your spreadsheet is ready, open it in Google Sheets. In the top menu, click Extensions, then hover over AppSheet and choose Create an App. You'll be asked to sign in with your Google account and grant permission so AppSheet can access your spreadsheet and generate the app. After that, AppSheet's AI will scan your data and create a working prototype for you. This is one of the biggest advantages of using it. Because you start with a usable app right away instead of building everything from scratch. From there, you can customize how your data is displayed. You can switch between list views, grid tiles, Kanban boards, maps, or calendar layouts. Depending on the kind of information you want users to see, choose the layout that makes the app easiest to understand and navigate. You can also enhance the app with useful components like search bars, drop-down filters, images, and action buttons. These features make the app more interactive and practical, especially if your data is growing or needs quick filtering. Next, review your user permissions. You can enable or disable editing so some users can update data while others can only view it. This is especially helpful if you want to protect your information from accidental changes. Before sharing the app, preview it in both the desktop and mobile emulators to make sure everything looks good and works smoothly on different screen sizes. Then adjust your privacy settings by choosing public access for anyone with the link, or private access if you want to restrict it to specific email accounts. Finally, click Publish to generate your app's custom URL or a scannable QR code, making it easy to share and access right away.